Hope everybody's doing good. So Super Clean reached out to us because they see that we play with in the garage, and they gave us all this kick butt stuff. So I'm super excited to go clean some crap, and we'll see what happens here. You know, we got this floor absorbent. Luckily, on the concrete, I don't have too many leaky vehicles right now inside, but I have a couple of hydraulic hoses that leak, so I'm gonna go try this out there. And I got some degreaser. This is exciting because I want to clean my rims really well. You know, you got expensive rims, and we'll see if it works. And I got some spray degreaser, so this will look really good on some things here. And then another bit of degreaser in a non-aerosol, so you could not, you know, spray it all over. You know, it'll be easier to spot do it and stuff with a nice little stream. So I'm very excited to get out in the garage and give this stuff a whirl. And I'll make some stuff there and see what I like and don't like about it. So real quick shout out. Thank you very much, Super Clean. And you'll hear back from us. So guys, hope you're doing great. Super Clean, this is a free product review. Super Clean gave me some products, and it's been winter here in the Dakotas, so I finally get to use the floors, like some of the products they gave me. I got some more, but we'll be doing more with them. So thank you very much for Super Clean. And I got Dum Dum over here, was changing the oil on the 7.3, slipped out of my hands and got stuck on the control arm and just turned right upside down and poured all over the floor. So that's how we roll. And I'm about to clean this up, put this Super Clean floor absorbent on the ground, and we'll see what it does here. Should be pretty good. And I just wanted to say thank you to Super Clean, and we will. I'll come back a little later and stuff when I'm all done and I sweep it up and see how it looks. So thanks, guys. Talk to y'all. So I got the Super Clean here. Spread or pour absorbent on spill. Give absorbent a few minutes to work. Sweep up. Dispose in compliance with all rules. So let's do it. Let's see if the cats take a dump in it. What do you think, guys? They're going to be like, oh, look, it's like a kitty litter box. And they're going to frickin' make presents for me. So, that's what it looks like. Put a little there. Well, I'm going to go eat some beautiful steaks because it's a beautiful steak day in the Dakotas. We're supposed to get 1 to 3. Not sure when I'm going to post this bad boy. But, it's been freaking awesome out here. Hope all you guys have great weather too. So the boss cooked some steak for us. And yeah. There's the girls. I've been getting about 15 eggs a day. They love it. On Friday I was able to clean out their coop, and it's been a bit, so it was really great to do that. That day they gave us like 7-8 eggs, and it was only like 25 degrees. Actually, no, Friday it made it to almost 40. So what was I thinking? It was all right. At night it was in the 20s, low 20s. But yeah, guys, back to the Super Clean. That's what it looks like. We'll sweep it up here in a little bit after dinner so I can pull the Yukon in. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you. So this is what it looks like. It's only been about an hour. Dogs trample through it. I think I'm going to sweep it up in a new pile and leave it for a day. Sweep it up after the fact, and then we'll go. Look at the stupid shepherd. My shepherd's got a degenerate move issues. There's our fearless cat. But yeah, so I'm gonna give it a day and let it suck it. I'm just gonna sweep a little meter and go. And she leaves me a dump. But yes, thanks, Super Clean. See you guys a little bit later. So this is the next day. I'm probably shy of 24 hours by a little bit, but as you can tell, we had an ice storm, so I'm just getting home from work, and the car is dirty because the boss had to go get a hair appointment today, so luckily she made it home fine. But we'll see how this Simple Clean works here, and unfortunately it's a little wet, so that sort of sucks because my car is freaking dripping on it. And probably because it didn't get so soaked, like ruined with the oil. I would have left it a little longer, but I wanted to do almost a 24-hour swap. But I probably could reuse this a little bit and I would re-put it on the floor here. But now that there's water in the mix, I think it's toast. So we'll see. But that's what my floor looks like. Too bad the Yukon's in the way. Oh, there it goes. So, power's coming in and out, and we'll see what happens. But thanks, guys. So you can see where my stain outline was here. The Yukon's sort of in the way. It's super clean, floor absorbent. Worked out pretty good. I had to hit it with the pressure washer here. I left it a little longer than I probably intended to because I had to go to Illinois. But you can see where I didn't have it versus, you can still see some of the outline where it was, but I left it on the ground for about 4 days. And, thanks again for Super Clean. I don't know what the price point is. They hooked us up with it to test it out for them and do a video on it. So this is a free product shipped to us to try out. And, it looks good, but I think we could do it with, kitty litter too. I'd have to spill some oil again and test it out. And they gave me more products to try, but I just haven't used nothing yet because the rim cleaner needs to have cool water, and here in the Dakotas, it's winter time, so that'll be a summer try, and I'll make a video for that on it. And, I wish I had the video camera going. So this oil stain for me, I was changing oil in the 7.3, and story of my life, I unscrewed it, and instead of falling straight down into the pan and, just splashing a little oil all over, because, those are the big, big filters, big Ford filters and stuff, it got stuck on the left side of the drive shaft and just straight up turned upside down, where the oil goes in and out, and spilled all over this floor. So, in the real world, 5 gallons on the floor, you got like a hazmat situation. Luckily, there's no 5 gallons on the floor, but it was a whole bunch, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. And that is frickin' 1540 diesel oil, so it's like thicker than molasses. And it was just an interesting time to clean up. So I'd say the Super Clean got it up when I actually wiped it down. And again, I can't complain for it. I'm happy with it. But old school tricks, you can buy a 50-pound, 100-pound bag of kitty litter, and it'll definitely absorb the crud in the concrete also. So for my price point, it was perfect. But I don't know what the product's going for if I was to buy it off of Amazon or anything like that. So that's my opinion. I'm doing the regular review, and I can't complain because they asked me to make a video on it. So this is what it's about. But again, I will get back when the weather warms up. I got a couple other products to try, and I can't wait to get into them. But I'm not going to run no hoses right now when it's frickin' winter in the Dakotas, so I got a little bit of time. So apologize, Super Clean, that I very slow with stuff, but I got it. You gave it to me in the fall-ish. And I was excited, and I'm still very excited to try all the great products you guys have. So this is my follow-up, my finish-up here. I'll stitch them all together. And thanks everybody for watching. Hope you're having a great weekend. And talk to y'all later. Thank you guys.